So here we are at SEMA 2015 on the Forgeline booth. We're with Dave and we want to talk about load ratings and the importance of having wheels that can stand up to the riggers on track. And there's literally thousands of wheels available here at SEMA, but what separates Forgeline is that motorsport pedigree and the strength and integrity. So Dave, let's talk about load ratings and that importance with getting on track.
Yeah, most people don't realize that there's a load rating stamped on every wheel. We have a load rating sticker on our wheel as well. But what differentiates our load rating sticker from anybody else's is we have 3 different load ratings. Take a GS1R, a GA1R, any of the G-Series wheels, they're going to have a 2,100 pound road rating with a street tire. That's a street tire that's rated like a 0.7 coefficient of grip, something like that. And if you go up to an R888, which would be an R compound steel DOT tire, that drops to 1,300 pounds. Wow. People don't realize that at all. And if you put a race slick on it, it drops to almost 1,100 pounds. So it makes a big difference in grip levels with competition type tires.
So guys often look at the weight of the wheel, and obviously Forgeline wheels are very stiff, they're very light, they're very strong, but they need to be able to handle the weight of cars that are getting heavier, like current Mustangs, Camaros. They're generally beefy cars.
Very heavy cars, and then a lot of some of these Optima events and stuff, they're adding a whole bunch of aero to them, which also adds weight to them as well. People don't realize what a difference that makes and how much stress the wheel takes at that level.
Yeah, so it's really a holistic view of what's required to be able to use those wheels on the track and get the most out of the car and do it safely. It's easy to see why the technical innovation Forgeline wheels are not just another pretty wheel. With top motorsport teams choosing Forgeline to go professional racing, the wheels are ideally suited to the club level racer that love to get out on the track on the weekend and still drive their car on the street during Monday to Friday.